Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood Garage with a handful of products and tips to help your vehicle get through even the harshest winter. With products such as Salt Neutralizer to quickly clean between snowstorms and that salt on the side of your car, Rust Encapsulator to stop rust in its tracks, and Rubberized undercoating to give yourself a brand new layer of protection in areas such as wheel wells. Now let's take a closer look at each of these products, plus I even have some great tips for you. If you live in the Rust Belt, then you know how harsh the chemicals used on roads can be on your vehicle. With our home office in Pennsylvania, we need to come up with a product to put a stop to the damage, and out came our Eastwood Road Salt Neutralizer. Each gallon of concentrate makes up to 21 gallons of neutralizer to keep you cleaning all winter. Road salt, brine, and ice melt are no match, as the salt's corrosive film is neutralized by this cleaner. Applying the neutralizer can either be spraying or sponged on. We like using a universal pump style sprayer to make this as easy as possible. Once applied and 5 minutes have passed, all that's left is to hose the car off, leaving the vehicle good to go until the next snowstorm. The underside of your vehicle is one of the most important places to protect as we go into winter. Starting with the rubberized undercoating, you'll want to coat areas such as wheel wells, since these take all the abuse from everything tires can throw at them, from stones to any debris in the road. Available in either aerosol or quart, ensures you can easily apply as you wish in the quantity you desire. Any areas which may have been chipped down to bare metal and have begun to rust are perfect for our next product, the Eastwood Rust Encapsulator, which can be bought in different forms and sizes to make sure you have what you need. Our latest happens to be Rust Encapsulator Platinum. This brush, roll, or spray-on product is sure to lock down and encapsulate rust for the foreseeable future. Even at 1,500 hours in the salt spray chamber mimicking the worst environments, our Platinum still managed to come out intact, unlike our competitors. Now let's say you're looking at your wheel wells thinking there's already rust present but want a rubberized level of protection. Look no further than Rubberized Rust Encapsulator. All the benefits of the standard rust encapsulator with the added bonus of a rubberized coating to protect against chips and scratches. For more information on any of these products or any product to do the job right, you can either click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.